DI. Magnification equation is equals to negative DI over DO is equals to HI over HO. So sample, a 4.0 centimeter tall light bulb is placed a distance of 35.5 centimeter from a convex mirror with a focal length or having a focal length of negative 12.2 centimeter. Determine the image distance and size. Kung papansinin natin, ang nagbago dito, kapag convex na, nagiging negative ang focal length. Pero kapag concave, ang focal length mo dapat ay positive. Remember that? So let's give the following, write the following given. Okay. So, unang given natin, yung height ng image, object rather, 4.0 centimeter. Distance ng object given, 35.5 centimeter. The focal length, negative 12.2 centimeter. And we are asked to solve for HI and DI. Okay? Now, unahin natin i-solve yung DI. DI, from this formula, meron na tayong derived formula, tama? Gamitin ko na derived formula. Meron na. So, 1 over DI is equals to 1 over F minus 1 over DO. Substitute the values. 1 over DI is equals to, ang F natin, 1 over negative 12.2 centimeter minus 1 over 35.5 centimeter. Okay? Kindly use calculator po. 1 over DI is equals to dahil ito ay negative minus magiging negative pa rin ang sagot natin. Tama? Pero i-add mo lang siya. So, kaya ano magiging sagot? Okay, negative 0.110. Tama? Centimeter. Okay na yan. O may over 1 yan, di ba? So, reciprocal mo lang siya. Magiging DI is equals to negative 1 over 0.11 centimeter. Okay? And DI now is equals to negative 9.09 centimeter. Okay, ayan ha. Next natin is HI. So use scientific calculator po ha. Derived equation na rin yung ilalagay ko. Meron na tayong derived equation. HI is equals to negative DI times HO over DO. Ito na yung derived equation natin. Substituting the values, negative times negative 9.09 centimeter times HO 4.0 centimeter divided by DO 35.5 centimeter. So what's the answer for our HI? HI is equals to 1.02 centimeter. Now, describe natin yung ating L, O, S, and T. Location, orientation, size, and type. Location muna tayo. Ano ang focal length natin? Negative 12. Tama? Negative 12. So, dahil ito ay mirror, ang ating vertex, ita-times mo lang to 24.4. Tama? 24.4. Ngayon, titignan natin yung distance ng image nasaan? Negative 9. So, ibig sabihin, negative 9, hindi ka naman lumampas sa F. So, nasa loob ka ng F. Pasok ka sa loob ng F. Then, sa pagitan ka ng F and V. So, your location is found between F and V, or the vertex. Orientation. Take a look on our HI. Ano ang HI? Positive. So, that is upright. Tayo. Then, ang size natin, from 4 ang HO, ang HI naging 1. Diminish. Remember that, ha? Remember that. And then lastly, type. Anong type natin? Ang ating DI ay negative. Pag negative, it is virtual image. Okay?